Hello, welcome to our channel. Any YouTube channel videos, how to check the proper video analytics? Maybe it is a live video or is an existing video, or you can upload for other YouTube channel video. How to check the view per hours on the live count? Live count thing, but just right now view per hour. How many people watching our video? There is a purpose. We have to use option name is called vidIQ toolbar. This is one of the Chrome extension boost your views and subscriber on YouTube. What they can give suggest will be called keyword tools. What are the keywords? This will be free will be up to 30%, remaining 70% will be paid. So it will be go for it in here. So what are the keyword suggestion? Everything they give by here is that. So coming to the point, I'm selecting for one YouTube video. Any YouTube channel go for it, not only for your video, other channel video. Right now, 2,36,000 people watching this video. But right now I'm checking will be here. A view per hour. How many people watching that my video? So that is the purpose. Come to scroll down. In the right corner side, there's a toolbar installed here. Our video score 62.6 out of 100. And view per hour, people watching hourly 1,151 people. So is a genuine answer or wrong answer? Approximately they can give by the most of the is a correct one they will explore here. Coming to the trending video. So trending video, how it is happening? Trending video. View per hour reaching for 1,000 view per hour. The time of period reaching for 10,000 views. The minutes and everything will be counted by the 10,000 views. What we can see in the YouTube channel, 10,000 views will be crash. The video will go for recommendation mode. Now they will be started view per hour. It is going for see this one. This video will be complete for 6.8 million views. But right now, view per hour, people watching for this free sign up it. After that, install by the Chrome extension, and after that, based on login, automatically your login will be done. After that, you check by the each and everything's on your particular score option. Everything score they can given by here. So duration and how much your SEO score, everything they've been given by here. Which is a missing, too long. There's common end screen missing, pin comment missing, hearted comment is missing. So this all will be particular option will be using the VidIQ toolbar option. So if anybody, any kind of channels that what is the view per hour, how we can check? The one and all option name is called install vidIQ toolbar. Before installation, vidIQ.com go to sign up it, and after that install by your Chrome extension and check the each and every details. If any further question, contact our channel and definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.